Hey, can you think of any two people with the exact same voice? Well, chances are you can't, because out of the 8 billion people on our planet, there are no two people with the exact same voice. But why is that? The reason for that is because of these things called overtones. Now, this looks really complex, but we can actually break it down using this. This is a harmonic series and is an infinite series of decreasing positive fractions. Now, just showing this to you won't do you any good, so today I'll break it down using this. Let's start from the beginning. Each term is representing a vibrating string such as this and how many times it's being subdivided. Because this first term is divided by 1, there are no subdivisions, so it will look like this. This is the first harmonic of the series and also the fundamental tone. Now, because the second term is 1 over 2, we have to split the rubber band into two groups like this. This is the second harmonic of the series. While I can't easily split the rubber band in 3 or 4, here's what the other two will look like. Even though these are shown separately, they're actually layered on top of each other like this. You may have noticed that these labels say overtone, and that's because any note in the harmonic series after the fundamental is an overtone to it. Overtones are notes that have a very specific pitch relationship with the fundamental tone. To find these relationships, we can look at the frequencies of these 4 harmonics. You can see that there's a pattern between each overtone, and this is what it is. Each overtone is a multiple of the fundamental tone. This means the harmonic series represents the ratio between a fundamental and an overtone. You can actually think of sounds like a house. On the outside, we're going to notice the fundamental first, but it's going to be filled with overtones just like furniture. Now, the reason why our voices sound different is because our vocal cords produce different volumes of overtones. And because there's an infinite amount of overtones, there are an infinite amount of voices that we can have. This makes our voice completely unique to us, just like our fingerprint.